Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are doing computer topic and our topic is operating system. We will talk about Windows today. We will cover following topics: Windows desktop, starting or opening a program, screensaver, shutting down Windows. Let's begin with operating system. Operating system, or you can say that OS, is a type of software that manages and controls the working of a computer. Operating system is called the manager of a computer. It manages computer's memory, controls all the hardware and software, and helps CPU in processing and calculation. In simple terms, we can say that operating system is called the manager of computer, because it manages all the components of computer, all the hardware parts and all the software parts and all the storage devices computer for the proper functioning of all the components of computer parts. Operating system manages all the things. Let's talk about the types of operating system. There are two types of operating system: GUI, graphical user interface, and CUI, character user interface. Graphical user interface is an interface in which we use icons and menus to give instructions to the computer, and character user interface is an interface in which we need to type commands to give instructions to the computer. And many years back we used character user interface, because in character user interface we have to just type the commands to give the instructions to the computer. But nowadays everyone is using graphical user interface because it provides us many icons and menus and we can easily give instructions to the computer. Now let's talk about some popular operating systems available: Windows, Linux and Mac operating system. And Windows is one of the most popular operating system. Now let's talk about Windows. Windows operating system is developed by Microsoft company. The first version of Windows was released in 1985. Since then, Microsoft has released many versions of Windows. Some of them are Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10. Bill Gates and Paul Allen are the founders of Microsoft company. Now let's talk about Windows 7 desktop. When we switch on our computer, an operating system is the first software that starts on its own. This process takes a few minutes. Once the process is finished, a screen known as the desktop appears. So, in simple terms, we can say that whenever we switch on the computer, the first screen we see is called the desktop screen of the computer. And the Windows desktop consists of desktop background, desktop icons and the taskbar. This is the screen of Windows desktop. It has icons and a background. One pointer is there, and at the bottom there is a long horizontal bar which is called taskbar, which has start button on the left side and notification area on the right side. Now, desktop background. The background picture of the desktop is called the desktop background, or we can say that the wallpaper. Now, desktop icons. Icons are the small pictures that represent a program, a file or a folder. For example, my computer recycle bin icon. These are the most commonly used icons and are available on the desktop screen. And taskbar, the longest horizontal bar at the bottom of the desktop. It has start button, quick launch icons, open programs, icons and the notification area. Now, how to start or open a program? The Start menu displays the list of all the programs installed in the computer, and if we want to start any program, if we want to open any program, we have to follow the 3 steps. Step 1, click on the Start button to open the Start menu. Then step 2, click on all program options to view all the programs list which is installed in our computer. And step 3, scroll the list and click on the name which we required. Now let's talk about screensaver. Screensaver is a moving image that appears on the monitor when the computer has not been used for some time. This saves the screen from burning out. We can choose a screensaver and the time after which we want it to appear. So we can say that screensaver is very important, because whenever we are not using our computer, screensaver displays and it saves our screen from the burning out. And we can easily set a screensaver by following 3 steps. Right click on the empty area of the desktop and click on personalize option, then click on the screensaver option, then click on the screen which we want to save as a screensaver. Now shutting down Windows. If we want to shut down our Windows, 2 simple steps we can follow. Step 1, click on the Start button, and then step 2, click on the Shutdown button. Now our computer will shut down after following these steps. So we have talked about Windows desktop, starting and opening a program, screensaver, and shutting down Windows. We have talked about the 2 types of operating system, graphical user interface and character user interface. Examples of popular operating system: Windows, Mac OS and Linux. And we have talked about the most popular operating system, Windows, which is developed by Microsoft company, and these are the pics of founders of Microsoft company, Bill Gates and Paul Allen. This is the desktop screen. We have talked about icons, desktop background or wallpaper. We have talked about the taskbar and its parts, Start button and notification area. We got to know about how to start or opening a program by following the given steps. And we got information about the screensaver and its importance, and how to shut down the window by following these steps. Thank you so much for watching.